Welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can easily create and connect your XFusion account to your tag markets broker. Right now on this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step in this video. How can you create your own account and how you can link in together to start copying professional trader on this particular tag market, a regulated broker, all right, while you are sleeping. So what is XFusion? All right, before we go into the video, this video just based on educational content only, not for financial advice. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys on how can you create and link your XFusion account to tag market broker in this particular video. All right, so let me just explain to you what is XFusion. XFusion give you access to AI trading tools. You don't need to trade yourself. The AI does everything for you. All right, XFusion work with with this particular tag market. All right, XFusion work with this particular tag market. All right, a licensed broker, you deposit your money there. Your money stay on the broker. It's not on this particular XFusion. A broker, just like exchange, a broker is I think broker like XNES, Vantage, and others. So just like something like this, all right, where you can trade manually. You can also use copy X to trade on this particular program, but you can also trade using an AI, using the AI tools of this particular XFusion, and trade for you on your MT5. All right, that is what they do. All right, so the AI does everything for you. You watch everything live on MT4. You can withdraw your profit every single week, and while your capital is still running over and over 30 days, you can withdraw everything. You can do whatever thing you want to do with your capital anytime, any day. All right, but let me just show you guys how can you connect, or how can you register with XFusion. All what you need to do is to just make sure to put your name, your last name, your email, your password. Then make sure you select, let's say you are from Nigerian, whatever country you are, from the UX, you can select Nigerian. Then click on this one, all this I have. Then you click on this register now. You have to just make sure to fill all these particular necessary information and put your phone number. Look for 234 Nigerian number as an example. Then make sure you do everything necessary and click on this register now. I'm going to do everything right now step by step. Then I'm going to get back to you on this particular video because of I don't want to show you everything here because of the security reason, because I don't want to show anything like information here. I'll just click after I fill all the name and everything here. I'm going to do click on this register now, right now on this particular video. So right now, you need to just make sure to click on this verify account so that you can you click on it, all right, so that you can easily go to your back office and log in into your account. You can see your email has been fully verified. You can now decide to log in with your information and everything so that your account will be fully verified. So let me just click on login and the account will be fully verified right now. So immediately you log into that account. You have to, after you confirm your everything, you confirm your email and everything, you need to just make sure to register on that tag market. You need to just make sure to click on it so that you can easily try to click on this register on tag market. So it connects your tag market account together once you create your own account. It's very, very simple and easy. So click on this area to just so that do not register directly on the tag market platform, as the account will not be synchronized. Can you see? You click on it, so you have to just wait for it to load up so that then to just make sure in this moment we are going to synchronize your account. Please, you have to enter your password and click on synchronize. So enter your password that you use to register this particular account of XFusion. Let me just do that right now. All right, I've already entered the password. I will now click on this synchronize account right now. You have to just wait for it to load up. Can you see synchronize with tag market broker? Please wait while we verify. Can you see? Synchronize successfully. Now click on I understand that I need to review my email and validate my password to finish the tag market activation. I'll now click on close. So you can see I've already linked everything to tag market. So let me just go to that particular email to check. They will send a random password for you guys to just log in. I may not show you that area because of the security. Let me just go to that particular email right now, guys. So on this area, I need to just make sure to click on this confirm. I may block some area for you guys. All right, you click on confirm. So you will now log in your account to tag market. So I've already clicked on this verification successful. So I've already tried to click on verification, then the account will be logged in successfully. So here you need to just make sure to upload your document and everything so that you're able to log in your account successfully. So right now I have already successfully logged in. So after you connect your account with XFusion, they will synchronize your account with tag market together so that you can able to log in. I've already logged in right now after clicking on your confirmation. Is that let's just register your XFusion and connect everything together with tag market within just few minutes. So but another thing is that please complete your KYC to make a deposit. So you have to just make your try to put all your necessary information, because this area you just need to follow the prompts. I may not show you all this because of security reason. Just click on this continue button and follow everything you need to follow, everything. So this video just been on how to create, connect and verify your account on tag market. So click on it, then click on agree and follow the step you need to just follow. All right, so put your email, everything, start verification, you are good to go. Then your account will be fully verified. So that is a very simple way on how can you create and verify your account on. Just make sure to follow the step as the thing is step by step. Then you are going to create and verify your tag market. In my next video, I'll show you how you can deposit and start trading on tag market after successfully you have already have your account verified. I will show you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now, guys.